Hey Kailash, welcome to AP Journal. I'm Anushka and this is my first YouTube video. And it's not an introduction, I will give my brief introduction in another one. But for now, this is something starting from nowhere because it's exactly the how my journey is beginning on YouTube from nowhere. And this video is basically about when you find new interest, new hobby, or new passion, but you keep procrastinating and making excuses one after another, you never actually start. Like from very long time, I wanted to start YouTube channel. I even planned to make my 2025 vision board as my first video. But here I am with no physical vision board of 2025 and no video until now, except the one I saved a Pinterest board. And in the past week, when I was checking like, how many things I have achieved or not, and I came across a silver button of YouTube, and this thought really hit me hard. Like Anushka, you really want to do or not? Almost 11 months or 12 months have been passed. Are you actually passionate or want this or not? Or are you just scared to start? So that made me realize that how much time we waste just in overthinking, procrastinating, and making excuses. I don't have everything figured out yet, and I'm still learning and making mistakes. But today I finally chose to start anyway. Maybe this is not like one of the best video, but finally I did it and I'm actually excited and nervous. So if you're also someone like me, and I hope this video helps you in some way to make break these procrastination traps. I have made plenty of excuses. Maybe you are making them too, and these excuses stopping us from creating. So yeah, let's break these patterns. The first excuse that I give to myself is of perfectionism, waiting for everything to be perfect. Very good background, lighting, movements, resources, setup, and I wanted to have a mic, and I don't feel much confident about my voice or my English. So I kept giving myself the feeling that once I was working on it or become better or improved, I will start posting. But in reality, I wasn't working. I was delaying, and I kept saying that maybe I will start from Monday or Tuesday or from a new month. And this is how my 11 months or 12 months have been passed without me actually working hard on any one thing. So here I am doing everything in a natural setting, no mic and not so good English, and maybe I will record this 2 or 3 times. And I feel nervous and but good too because finally I'm showing up and after so many years that is what it feels like. And maybe you are feeling the same way. You might be thinking that I'm not good at this or I don't have the resources, but what you're not noticing is what you have already have right now. You have an idea and time, and this is the real value. You can shape that idea into anything. So instead of denying yourself, instead of not pushing yourself, rather daydreaming, grab that idea, take action immediately. Whether it's studying, giving a speech, public speaking, dancing, music, singing, starting a small business, becoming content creator, freelancing, whatever it is, just do it. This is where your mind tries to control you, telling you not to do it. But once you go against it, and even if you do it badly, this is where you learn that being bad at something, you will become actually good at something. So maybe in the future, I will buy the equipments or I will be more confident or much better. And honestly, I don't have much expectation from this video. This is not my best or better video, but the things will change because I finally took action, not because I waited. Action always speaks louder than words, and right now I truly feel that. Second excuse is comparison. We compare ourselves, our talent, potential, and wherever we are in our life right now. We look at other people and see how much they are achieving. But we also forget that they also started from zero. They also had the challenges, and when they started, they didn't have anything either. When we start comparing ourselves, we begin to take ourselves lightly. We start thinking that we don't have anything good and neglect what we already have. And this is the reason why everyone talks about gratitude and positive thinking because honestly, we don't see ourselves in a good way. We always expect someone else to say something good about us, but you don't need anyone else to tell you that you are good, you are doing a good job, you finally you are starting, and you are good, already good on your own. Whatever you have right now has value. I'm repeating this again until you notice it. So this is where you can begin. Whatever stage you are at, just start from there, even it feels like zero. I know in today's world it's like bit difficult to start because everyone is so creative, but you don't know where you will be in 2 years or 5 years or 10 years. If you start now, your life can completely change. The only time your life doesn't change is when you don't take actions. And most of the time, no one else is comparing you. You're doing it yourselves, and you let overthinking take over you and making you believe that you're not good enough. So, work on that. Try to overcome it. Stop comparing. Start small, do it, and slowly everything will fall into a place at the right time in the right way. Another excuse we give ourselves is the fear of judgment and rejection from other people. We don't like being judged or hearing criticism or our weakness being pointed out. And along with there comes a fear of rejection. Like, what if they don't like my talent? What if I don't get appreciation? And what if people are talking behind my back? And most of these thoughts don't even come from strangers. They come from the people we know, and that's why it hurts more. That's why we step back from trying new things. But the truth is, there is nothing you can really do about it. Because even if you don't do anything, people will still judge you for something or other. The more cringe you allow yourself to be, the better your life becomes. This is a mantra I learned this year. And the moment you stop thinking like, oh my god, people are watching me, I look silly, but you still do it, this is the moment you start loving yourself. You start letting your original behavior, expressions, feeling, and you're letting your real self out. Start thinking about what is right for you. And rejection play a very important role, and don't take the rejection in a negative way and never doing that thing, because you already know you are good, you are new at something, so you're not going to give your best, and the performance is not going to be the best one. So why expect huge appreciation, likes, followers, or applause from the start? Accept rejection not as failure, but as feedback, as a sign that next time you will do better. What really matters is showing up right now. And remember, while you're busy thinking about others, those people are busy thinking about themselves and worrying about being judged too. So stop carrying that burden. Start showing up and start doing it for yourself. Now, the last excuse is being the side character in your story. We often let other people define our situation, our story, our personality, and our character. But you don't have to do that. You are not obliged to play the bad role in their life. You can do anything you want, not in a negative way, but in a positive way. You can make a change, and the moment you realize that, you start taking control of your life. You don't have to live in fear, thinking, like, what if this person leaves me? What if they judge me? What if you leave? What if you choose yourself? Remember, you're also a person like everyone else, and you have choices, you have freedom. You are not here to please others, make them laugh, or always keep them happy. You are allowed to fail, you are allowed to make mistakes, you are allowed to be silly, clumsy, happy, and real, and still shine. You are not here to show up as a perfect version of yourself. You are here to create your own story. The more original you are, the more you work and your art will shine. You are the main character. You can change your story, you can begin again, rewrite it, you can do anything. Let go of people who try to define you, your work, and your talent, and your worth are seen as so much small. Remember, you are not never learned late to learn something new. There are people of every age achieving amazing thing right now, so don't limit yourself. Step into your story and shine. So yeah. However, these all are my experience, and maybe they are yours too, and maybe there are more excuses that you have faced. So if yes, please let me know in the comment section. I would really love to read them and talk about them in my next video. And please grab that idea. I'm saying that one more time. Grab that idea. Something truly excite you, Go for it, search it, learn it as much as about you can. The more you delay, the more your mind find the reasons to push it away. So grab that idea and show up. The more you focus on it, the more beautiful it becomes. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and I truly hope that you take actions and it helped you in some way. I wish you a very blessed life and happy new year. And if that video helped you even a little, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.